Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. I love fresh strawberries with cream. Passion fruit, passion fruit, passion fruit. Passion fruit juice is tangy and refreshing. Persimmon, persimmon, persimmon. The persimmon is sweet and best eaten when ripe. Tamarind, tamarind, tamarind. Tamarind is often used in sour soups and sauces. Cranberry, cranberry, cranberry. Cranberries are popular in juices and sauces. Jujube, jujube, jujube. Jujube is often dried and used in herbal teas. Date, date, date. Dates are a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine. Green almonds, green almonds, green almonds. Green almonds are eaten fresh with a pinch of salt. Ugly fruit, ugly fruit, ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is a hybrid of orange and grapefruit. Citron, citron, citron. Citron is often candied and used in desserts. Currant, currant, currant. Currants are commonly added to baked goods. Ambarella, ambarella, ambarella. Ambarella is tart and often eaten with salt and chili. Indian cream cobra melon, Indian cream cobra melon, Indian cream cobra melon. Indian cream cobra melon has a mild and creamy flavor. Granadilla, granadilla, granadilla. Granadilla is similar to passion fruit but sweeter. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is refreshing and perfect for summer. Honeydew melon, honeydew melon, honeydew melon. Honeydew melon is sweet and juicy. Malay apple, Malay apple, Malay apple. The Malay apple is crisp and slightly sweet. Star apple, star apple, star apple. Star apple has a milky and sweet taste. Almond, almond, almond. Almonds are often used in desserts and as snacks. Chestnut, chestnut, chestnut. Chestnuts are roasted and eaten during winter. Blackberries, blackberries, blackberries. Blackberries are perfect for making jam. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and delicious in pies. Gooseberry, gooseberry, gooseberry. Gooseberries are often used to make jams and jellies. Mulberry, mulberry, mulberry. Mulberries are sweet and can be eaten fresh or dried. Acai berry, acai berry, acai berry. Acai berries are popular in smoothies and healthy bowls. Elderberry, elderberry, elderberry. Elderberries are often used to make syrups and wines. Tangerine, tangerine, tangerine. Tangerines are easy to peel and perfect for snacks. Sapodilla. 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 Sapodilla has a sweet and grainy texture. Camu, 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 camu is known for its high vitamin C content. Physalis. 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 Physalis is often used as a garnish for desserts. Cempedak. 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 Cempedak has a strong aroma and sweet, juicy flesh. Elaeagnus fruit. Elaeagnus fruit. Elaeagnus fruit. Elaeagnus fruit is tangy and often eaten with chili salt. Cluster fig. Cluster fig. Cluster fig. Cluster figs are small and used in salads or pickles. Burmese grape. Burmese grape. Burmese grape. Burmese grapes are tart and juicy, often eaten fresh. Otaheide gooseberry. Otaheide gooseberry. Otaheide gooseberry. Otaheide gooseberries are sour and commonly made into jams.